Welcome everybody. I just got in the office and I'm going to be making a video on a corp kit. If you could see through the glasses, you could see the mirror. The office is a mess because I've been busy. And a sign of a busy craftsman is that his shop is a mess, okay? But look, here I have a corp kit and this is a corporate book and this is how it comes. Now my vendor, I'm going to give it away, is Corp Kit. And I love these guys. They're amazing. In my view, they are the best vendor for corporate kits. The thing is that when you get one of these corporate kits done, they are, and seriously, everything, my office is a mess right now, but look, I do corporate books for a living. It's one of the things that I do. So there's a difference between a corporate book and a corporate kit. A corp kit is basically the binder, custom made. Look, I got another one right here. I got so much work, all right? And there's all kinds of styles. There's all kinds of ways they come. And again, I'm gonna show you guys. It's not even out of the box. I can't even say fresh out of the box. But I really want to give a props and I really want to give a shout out to my friends out there in New York. Corp Kit. They're an awesome team. Best vendor that I ever found. And you know what? I'm loyal to my vendors. When I find a good vendor, I don't even play around going elsewhere. I think somewhere in the beginning of the relationship, I tried one place. I went to another vendor because they were maybe about 15% cheaper, 20% cheaper. And I regretted it all the way. And I seen some corporate books out there that are really low quality. So, you love your business. Take care of it. Look, a bunch of work. Look at that. A bunch of books in there. They're all from Corp Kit. All the books that I get my customers, they are from Corp Kit because Corp Kit makes really good uh quality quality books. Look, even churches, okay? It doesn't really matter what type of organization you are. Like if you're a corporation or an LLC, your business could be multiple things, especially as a corporation. You could be a nonprofit. And with that, you could be all types of nonprofits. You could be religious, you could be public benefit, you can be charity. There's all kinds of options. And when you go to Corp Kit, they actually will custom mise your corporate kit better than anybody else that I know about. And again, I've been with Corp Kit for over 15 years now. They are the best. And why am I making the video? Why am I giving a shout out to them? Because they deserve it. They're great people. And I'm a great social media influencer, so I'm gonna look out for them. I look out for the people that look out for me. Anyways, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put the whole video up on multiple channels, my English channels and my Spanish channels, and I'm gonna make a video of the unboxing, okay? But on this one, it's just the uncut edition. Okay, I stepped into the other office to make it neater. This is one of the, general offices, not my office, okay? But if you want a consultation and you want a business consultation and you want me to do your books, I could gladly do your books. The best way to reach me is just hit me up. My business phone number is 626-272-5356. And honestly, I've built my practice over 20 years with no marketing. It's all been word of mouth. I'm barely starting to develop the efforts to market and grow my practice because I want to get to more and more people. But, that's just how it is. When you're good at something, word of mouth is going to grow. Anyways, you want me to do your books? I can do your books. I could create all the paperwork. If you just have a shell corporation, meaning you don't have minutes, you don't even have bylaws, you don't have your certificates, your stock certificates issued, all that I could do. I could do for you. I do charge $150 an hour and my rates are going up. That's the old rate. but I'll still honor it for a little bit, especially for new clients. Just give me a call, okay? Here is the corp kit, fresh off out the box, okay? This is a corp kit corp book, and it's the kit. It's fresh out from the vendor. This is how it comes, and it's for the corporate records. It's gonna come with seals, and you can customize it. You can get different options. In this case, it's gonna come with the corporate seal, the embosser. So when you get it out, it just comes like that. That's the package. That's what I'm saying. A lot of people, they don't know what they have with their corporations and their LLCs. They have very unprofessionally prepared corp books, because I see it all the time. I get a bunch of stuff from people that trust LegalZoom, which, okay, it's a great place to get your stuff incorporated. And it's actually not a great place, but it's a place to get your stuff incorporated and do it on the cheap, right? But you get what you pay for. You could also go to an attorney, like a real attorney law firm, or sometimes even a CPA, and they'll do it for you. But nobody of those people that I mentioned is a specialist like I am. I am a specialist. I went to school, I dedicated 20 plus years of my life now to doing this. So that's, you're going to get from the buffet whatever you choose to serve yourself. If you go to the cheap stuff, that's what you will put on your plate. If you go to the quality section and you put that on your plate, that's what you'll have. And that's what you're going to have with me. Anyways, getting back to this, okay? Here is how it comes. The corporate, the embosser. This is to seal documents. Basically, you want to make a super official document, you emboss it. And there's a time and place to use it. It's not something that you use on every single document, but very important documents you do. It's like back in the days, the seal of the king. They would have their ring and they would put wax on it, and they would emboss their stamp, their seal. And that's where that comes from. For those that don't know, why do I know this? Because I have a bunch of education, plus I have graduate work in public policy, and I do also work in a limited way as an attorney in fact, a business attorney in fact, for clients, and represent them with the IRS, the FTB, the different government agencies. I'm obviously in California, so when I talk federal, it's like the same ones every state deals with. But when I talk state, I'm talking about California specialist. And I've done a lot of things, including conditional use permits, entitlements, building permits, all kind of stuff that I don't do anymore, but I can do. I do know about, but I don't do that anymore. I'm just saying this because that's my background. I have an extensive background in entitlements and business entitlements as well. But where I make my passionate life without running around in traffic in the freeway is preparing documents, and that's what I do now. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's a little bit on the long form. I do want to show and educate people, and like I say, these tabs, they all matter. Nowadays you have FinCEN. It's a new government agency with new requirements. There's stock certificates. You have to have minutes to reflect the issuance of them. It's not just about filling out these papers, but this is the certificate of the stock. This records the transfer, and it has to be done very well. Even this, when you sell your stock to somebody, you transfer it back, this has to be prepared and it has to be notarized so that it has that extra validity. Or you don't have to notarize it. That's optional. And these are the things you need to know, because you can notarize or you cannot notarize. And it basically depends on the level of standard that you want to take. Obviously, notarized documents, they're non-questionable. So these things matter. These things are things that not anybody's going to know. A specialist might know, a paralegal might know, an attorney will know. But an attorney's going to charge you $500 an hour. I'm going to charge you $225, $150 if you get the old rate. So I'm Robert Bohai. I hope you enjoy the videos that I'm doing. I'm here in this beautiful office, and my office location is in the city of Lomita, California, Southern California. But if anywhere in the state of California, I can help you virtually. And if you want to meet me in person, I'm here in the county of Los Angeles. In the county of Los Angeles, I will drive to you. Maybe in Orange County, maybe San Bernardino. You better have a good reason for me to go out there and meet you. But I'll work with you. Riverside, I'll work with you. I've worked in all these jurisdictions before. I know them very well, and people know me. So I leave you all with that. I hope you enjoy the video. Comment, share, and subscribe. And reach out to my people at Corp Kit. If you don't want to pay top dollar and you want to get quality and you want to do it yourself, go to Corp Kit. They're great. I'll catch everybody on the next video.